The Publick House in Mountainside, New Jersey, presented by Jesse Flowers of Keller Williams, your neighborhood realtor.
Hello, I'm Jesse Flowers, a realtor with Keller Williams in Westfield, New Jersey. I hope you enjoy watching this delicious dish from one of my favorite restaurants. As a top producing agent with Keller Williams, I specialize in residential sales and investment properties in Union and Morris counties. I have an aggressive marketing strategy that spares no expense to maximize the exposure for every listing. If you'd like to see some of my listings, you can find me on Facebook or call me today. Thank you.